Welcome to the lesson Chemical Reaction and Equations. This is chapter 1 of the part 1 of Karnataka State Board Karnataka State Board science topic. You can see two figures. The figure 2 I made this magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling white flame and changes into white powder. This powder is a magnesium oxide. If you see it here, you can see there magnesium ribbon burns with the white powder collected on a plate here. So that dazzling flame changes into white powder, and that's called magnesium oxide. It is formed due to the reaction between magnesium and oxygen present in the air. So when oxygen present in the air burn, when it is burned, okay, for anything to burn, oxygen is required. So when the burning of a magnesium ribbons, it is with dazzling flame results in the production of a white powder. It's called the magnesium oxide. Similarly, you can see in this figure 1, here it is a zinc granules are taken in a test tube, and dilute sulfuric acid H2SO4 is added. So downward displacement of gas is collected. So bubbles of gas you can see here is coming out, and this is a hydrogen gas. So hydrogen gas is collected. So in these two reactions, we have seen a new product is formed. So that's what I said here. Similarly, hydrogen gas is liberated by the action of dilute sulfuric acid on zinc. Here, new products are formed by the combination of two substances. Such reactions are called chemical reactions. So, description of chemical reaction in a sentence form is quite long. So, you look at this. I have to write magnesium plus oxide plus magnesium oxide produced. So, this can be written very simple way by in short form. So for that you need to know the chemical symbol for writing the element. Symbol for element writing. Symbol for symbol for the each element. Symbol for each element. So in this case we can take here magnesium. So for magnesium, it is Mg. Symbol is Mg. M and small letter G. So Mg plus O2. Oxygen, it is oxygen, so it should be oxygen, and you get magnesium oxide. So this is what you call a skeleton equation. So you know that according to the law of conservation of energy, total mass of an element present in the product of a chemical reaction has to be equal to total mass of element present in reactants. Which is reactants? So the elements which are on the left hand side is reactants. So to say that they're combined here, we represent with the letter plus or symbol plus magnesium plus oxygen. That means they are combined. So when they combine, resulting product is given in the form of arrow. That means it is producing at a straight arrow mark. MgO. This is called the magnesium oxide. So this becomes the reactants RECTANTS, and the one which is on the right hand side, this is the left hand side, and this becomes the right hand side RHS. So this reactants written in the left hand side,